This is how to recover Gmail account without verification code, password and phone number. So let's get into it. But make sure that you have to just follow this video step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your any browser, like I am using here the Chrome browser. But make sure that you are using the account that is logged in on your Chrome browser while going through this process, as you will get the recovery email from the community. So let's get into it. So the first step that you need to do is to simply open your Chrome browser and then search here for support.google.com. So once you are here at this interface, just click on describe your issue and then search here for recover account, and then click to open the first one, which is named as how to recover my Google account. So now here you have to just click on the second tab, which is named as community, which is next to the help center option. So once you click it on the top of this interface, so here scroll down and click on ask now. Alright, here in tell us your question, you have to just put the words Google account recovery. And next to this option, you have to just create a short description in order to describe your issue. Like you can copy the words that hello team, I have lost my access to my phone number, recovery email and even password for my Google account. And next to it, you have to just show your email address, and then right after that you have to just clarify the words I am not able to reset password on my Google account, so please help me to fix this error and get me back to my account. Right after that you have to just click on the category and then select here for account access and recovery. Alright, now click on next, and now you have to just scroll down at this interface and then click on next step. So alright, here is the platform. You have to just select for your platform that you are using. Like I am using here the Android phone, so I just select Android. And next to it, where did this issue arise, you have to just select for Gmail, and now you have to just click on next step. So here you can edit your display name if you want. Right after that, just click on the post at the bottom, and now wait for completing this posting. Right after that, you have to just wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours you will receive an email from the community of the Google account. You will get this email on your account that you are using in your Chrome browser currently while describing your issue. So you have to simply click on that link and you will be back to your Gmail account. So that's all for today. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.